Actually, we stopped there somewhere. So, anyhow, just so we are in Silent Valley, just going towards the reservoir now. Let's go. Seems like it takes but longer, so I prefer jog now. Let's go. Seems like if anyone's hungry, they can go to cafeteria. Hope you can also see something beautiful. Something. All right. Shall we jog? Hey, one minute. Something. This is the one which we left earlier, so we are covering here to here. Something beautiful. I don't know what's that. I don't know even the name of this tree and the seeds, but it looks beautiful. Oh, some spider. Did you see that? Some spider. I think this is the one. Alright. Whew. Let's jog. There's something actually. If you see this is the one way and this is another way, but I don't know what is this way. Something.